Imagine a pair of smart glasses capable of helping millions of people see the world more clearly. A technology that does not simply display digital information, but actively adapts reality itself to match the unique visual needs of every user. This is the Innovega Gen 1. Unlike traditional AR headsets, the Gen 1 system was created specifically to assist people with visual impairments. Rather than adding virtual objects, it captures the real world, analyzes it, and presents an optimized version that is easier to see and understand. Experience the difference with enhanced contrast, increased sharpness, and enlarged objects that bring the world back into focus. From easier text reading to clearer facial recognition, the Gen 1 adapts to your specific visual needs in real time. The potential for this technology is vast, reaching hundreds of millions of people worldwide who struggle with daily tasks due to vision loss. Imagine the freedom of reading your favorite book or recognizing a friend's face across the room without assistance. The Gen 1 empowers users to navigate cities, shop independently, and use public transportation with renewed confidence. From working in an office to reading a menu, these glasses restore autonomy to every aspect of daily life. Under the hood, an integrated camera captures the environment while advanced AI adapts brightness and contrast for each user. Transparent micro-OLED displays project the optimized image directly in front of the eyes, merging tech with natural vision. When inactive, you simply look through the lenses like ordinary glasses, maintaining a completely natural appearance. Activation is seamless, using simple touch controls on the frame or intuitive voice commands for instant enhancement. The system is fully personalized, adapting differently for reduced central vision, peripheral loss, or general impairment. Innovega's journey began with advanced AR contact lens technology, receiving support from major tech investors and organizations. The company eventually shifted its focus toward a more impactful goal, improving the lives of those with visual impairments. The mission is simple: to increase independence and autonomy for people facing daily visual challenges. With a lightweight design under 70 grams and a smartphone-connected processor, it's built for all-day comfort. Manufacturing is handled by Quanta Computer, a partner with vast experience in producing advanced electronics for global brands. Our future roadmap includes support for hearing and cognitive assistance, and even the return of contact lens integration. The industry is evolving from general AR towards specialized solutions that solve real-world problems. The future of wearable tech is about helping people experience the real world more clearly than ever before. The Innovega Gen 1 represent an important step toward that future. Like and subscribe for more technology news.